Yo, what is up guys? It's Luca back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be doing a Premiere Pro tutorial. So if you guys want to see more of these, make sure you comment down below what exactly you want to see, because this is going to be a new series I started on my channel where I just do basically record a bunch of tutorials kind of like around the same day, and then just upload them all like kind of each week. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you learn something. If you learn something, make sure you leave a like. Doesn't cost anything to leave a like. Just so you know, I know everything costs money nowadays. But yeah, let's get right into it.
Come on, baby, I know what you want. She won't fuck with me, cause baby, I don't want.
Alright, so first, what you're going to want to do is open up Premiere Pro. If you don't have it, then you're in the wrong fucking tutorial right now. So you want to open up this right here, and you're going to get this little, if you're new to it, this is just going to be like, I'm going to show you how to create a file and all that stuff. You just skip through it if you don't fuck with that. So, to create a new project, we go here, and it's going to come up on this little window right here. All these settings pretty much the same. Make sure your renderer, if you are allowed to pick CUDA, make sure you always pick CUDA. If not, software only is okay, but CUDA is usually like the best because it does, it works straight with your graphics card in order to render everything. So make sure you choose CUDA if you can, then click OK. And wait, oh, you're gonna want to name it. I'll just name it tutorial for reverse. So in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to put a video in reverse, because I actually was just doing this and it took me a minute to figure this out. So yeah, let's do this. So first you just want to, so you have this right here, right? You want to go to assembly, and of course you want to drag your clips. So I have a clip right over here from something me and my friend shot. We were filming something for his brand, and it's just right here, just him kind of walking, and let's say we wanted to put that in reverse, So basically, what you would do, let me start with this, just so you guys can see. I'm just gonna resize this right there. You could also do this with with the points in the editing part, but this is just for tutorial's sake. Okay, so we got the little video right here. Play that. It's a little shaky. I'll do another tutorial on how to fix shaky footage a different time. So yeah, we have him right here just walking along the beach. That's the normal little video. So in order to make this go reverse, let's say we wanted him to walk backwards, or we just want to figure out how to do that. We would right click on the little on the sequence right here, go to speed and duration, and right here, important part, the only important part, you want to go to reverse speed, and you want to hit OK. And now watch this. He's walking backwards. Right there. It basically puts it all in reverse, so he's walking backwards. This is probably a pretty bad example, so let me show you guys another one, because since it's just walking, you can't really can't necessarily see it as correctly as you could if like it was something like this. Okay, this is right here. This is him doing a backflip. So let's do this right here. So you got him doing a backflip, and we'll just right here, rotate that. And if you want to rotate it, it'll be just like Photoshop and stuff. You just double click on it. You could hit Control T. Actually, Control T doesn't work right here. Don't listen to me. Just double click on it, and then here's him doing a flip. Whatever that was, doing a flip. And then so if you want to put that and play that backwards, you want to go to speed duration, and right here you can do how long it takes. So if you wanted to make it super slow and reverse the speed, you just do 200 versus speed. Oh no, this will make it faster. Make it faster, and it would put it all in reverse. That would be if you want to speed it up, and then if you want to slow it down, let's go speed duration. Let's go. If you want to put it, let's say half speed. Let's go enter. And then in order to get a clean kind of playback, you make sure you want to hit enter. So then it'll render it really quickly, just so you can see it in the preview timeline. I'm just gonna mute this just so I don't have to deal with that noise. But you see right here, going backwards, going backwards, going backwards. And then you got him right here slowly walking backwards into the water. And boom. So you got that whole thing put in reverse. And if you want to make a cool little edit, this could be really helpful if you just want to, you know, like, let's say he's doing that flip, you want to freeze him in the air and do something like that. That would be somewhere where I can see where this would come in handy. Yeah, that's really it, guys. I mean, you could play around with it as much as you want, audio gain and stuff like that. Move it depending on if you even want audio in the background when you're when you play it back. And then you could maintain the pitch and then ripple edit. You don't want to click that, and then stuff like you can just mess around with it. I like whenever I play stuff back, I always like doing slow motion. So I would do something like maybe 35. And then only do a piece kind of like a beginning piece like this, where he would be coming out of the water, or do just like where he initiates the flip, which would be like up here, just flying out of the water like a fucking superhero. Like, doesn't that look sick? You just flying out the water. Anyway, that's basically how you guys do this. This is like, I think this is my first Premiere tutorial. Leave a like if you want more. I know it's not really like the crazy shit I usually upload, but I mean, I've been really into doing these little edits for a while, so kind of thought I'd share it because a lot of people have been asking me how to learn, and I mean, why not teach them how to learn? So teach them how to learn, teach them how to do it. So yeah, if you fucking like this or whatever, make sure you drop a like. I'm gonna be doing a lot more. I'm actually gonna record a few today, and yeah. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, because I'm on that road to 1K. And if I make it, this, I'm saying this on camera right now, if I make it to 1 million, which is like an unreasonable goal, but if I make it to 1 million by this time next year on August 18th, 2021, if the world didn't end yet and we're still here and I have 1 million subs, I will get the most liked comment of my most recent video tattooed on my leg. So whatever it is, I will get it tattooed either on my leg or on my arm or on my back. I don't fucking care. We can spin a wheel or something. But if this time next year I'm at 1 million, you guys better know that I'm getting whatever tattoo you guys pick. I'll do like a whole video on that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not going to clickbait it that I'm going to get a tattoo, don't worry. But yeah, if you want more tutorials, once again, I feel like I've said this like 18 times in the last 5 minutes. Fucking subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I just wanna blow up in the limelight. Think about what my life would then be like. Go to LA, I'm back on the one night. Trying to catch a flight, I'm just working for that jet life. I just wanna blow up in the limelight.